Welcome, and tape is going to be regarding the Federal Bureau of Prisons three-tier medication formulary structure. We're going to assume that this is going to be for those that are before their pre-sentence interview, and if that's the case and you are taking medications, that both you, your attorney, and your physician have already reviewed the online listing of all of the drugs that are both on formulary and non-formulary. Non-formulary means that the drugs, rather on formulary, which is the slide in front of you currently, means that these drugs are going to be readily available should the medication that you're taking be on this particular list. And it should be noted first in your pre-sentence interview, which then it will make it onto the pre-sentence report. It should be immediately available. Non-formulary. These drugs are available in the Federal Bureau of Prisons, but it is strongly discouraged by the Federal Bureau of Prisons for all of their staff and pharmacists not to dispense these particular medications. And in the likelihood that they are recommended, there could be a 6 months to 18 months waiting period. So should a non-formulary medication be identified before the pre-sentence interview, it's important that you, the attorney, and the physician note this, and if the drug be critical to your well-being, this be noted by the treating physician and in some format, either via video, transcription via a note, a letter, or in person, it be registered through the pre-sentence interview and placed into the pre-sentence report. Lastly, not available. Here it is mostly critical for the treating physician to be involved in this particular process, because they need to see all the medications that are available through the Federal Bureau of Prisons. There are similar equivalent substitutions. These are drugs that are chemically different from what you may be taking, but may have a similar type of outcome. Your treating physician may disagree and say that none of the drugs are available. And if that's the case, they need to put that in writing, potentially show up in court or through video deposition. And there are certain benchmarks that they need to be able to put in writing as to why these drugs are not applicable to you. And if they are going to affect your quality of life detrimentally, this needs to be spelled out in detail. I hope you found this helpful. Should you have any questions, feel free to share this with those in need. There's my email, phone number, and I look forward to meeting you at a future YouTube.